where we are transformed by the renewal of our mind. And then it explains that this renewal of the mind is not to think more highly of ourselves than what we ought to think, but simply to know that we've received faith to believe basically in the grace of God. And then it says what this grace does. This grace then brings humility to us, and we realize that we are now gifted by God to serve other people or to love other people. And then it clearly says that that starts in the church, where we love one another. So we can see more of that manifest in our lives, not from the perspective of not being content, because we thank God for what we do have. Yet we also say, "Here, my Lord, thank you for seeing the grace of God multiplying in our lives."